Hey, what's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Me and Car Keys. We're gonna do a bit of customization today. We're gonna paint this. All right, so to get this emblem off, we're gonna go on the inside first and see. I'm gonna go behind this and see what it looks like first. All right, if you see here, that's the emblem. The back side of the emblem, you can see double-sided tape, and you can see these clips. It's hard to see. Anyway, the locking mechanism is in the way, but see there, here. This is the back part of the emblem. It has these clips down here that you probably can't see. Anyway, so we can push on that side as well as push from the outside with trim tool pieces. All right, so I have these trim tool pieces. Going to just kind of work my way around from the outside with these. So I can get it over to my face. And yeah, of course, wouldn't be a video on my channel unless something broke. Broke a trim piece, or broke a trim tool removal. Broke a trim removal tool. It's in there, but good thing it came with a set of like 4. There we go. All right, so it took me about 8 minutes. So here's the back of the emblem. These are the clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lost one. Lost one in there somewhere, but we got it. So there, the clips was held on my clips and double-sided tape. So we're gonna clean all this off. We got the emblem off. I did watch a video where somebody disassembled one of these. I couldn't find a video again, so I'm not. Anyway, I couldn't find a video again, but he did have to drill out all these little, I guess, glue points. I don't know what these are or what they're called. But he drilled out all these little spots. And then he had to go back and break these little small ones that go all the way around the edge. So yeah, we're gonna start on that. I'm not 100% sure what we're gonna do as far as paint. I do know I do plan to paint the blue to match the truck silver. All the chrome pieces, the forward and these rings, I'm probably gonna just do in black. I'm not sure if it's gonna be matte black or gloss black. We'll see. All right, so where we're at, I drilled out these little, I don't know what they are, but I drilled them out. And this piece, hold on, let me show you. This is the D here, and the little spot right there is right here. So it fits in there like so. And I was drilling the back and the whole thing just popped off. It scared me. I thought I had broken it. It scared me. So this is the glue points here, or adhesive points. I'm gonna see if I can get all this out and then keep drilling at these to get this blue piece out. All right, a quick warning, okay? I made a mistake of drilling too far. So when you drill through these, when they start to give way, then that should be enough. So I drilled through, this one is the one, wait, where is it? Whichever one is behind this circle, this one right here. So that's the one I'm working on now, it's the only one left. This one I drilled through, and the drill bit ended up coming through the front here. And thank God I didn't break this F, because it almost broke right there. So thank God I didn't break it, but just a warning, when it gives way, you drill far enough. All right, there we go. Finally, Finally, we still got to figure out how we're gonna get this ring out. And the ring is using these little bitty tabs. I already broke a couple of them. I think I just need to go around and break all the rest of them. I use this thing, a little baby screwdriver. And I broke all of the little tabs here, all the way around. At least broke the head off of them so that this would give loose, the rim would give loose. So just kind of work your way around. And it comes off easy, you just still gotta be careful with it because it is plastic. All right, y'all, finally got the ring out. We have all our pieces. We have this main piece, we have the blue fork piece, we have the blue ring piece, and we have the little piece that goes in the D and the F. I sanded the silver pieces with 60 grit, and I sanded the blue pieces with 150 grit. Just kind of letting them dry out in the sun. It's 90 degrees. I sanded them, then I washed them down. Now I'm just letting them dry. So as far as our paint goes, we have our primer, automotive primer from Rust-Oleum. We have our two colors. We have our black, which is going to go on the forward and the outer rings. We have our base coat in ingot silver from Automotive Touch-Up, and that's going to go on all of our blue pieces. And as far as our clear coats go, we have a gloss clear coat here, and we also have from Rust-Oleum a dead flat clear coat. Really not sure what we're going to do. I do know that these pieces will be in gloss. This one I'm not sure yet. I don't know if gloss black will look better or a matte black. We'll see. All right, so after 2 coats of primer, this is what we're looking like. And now we're going to hit it with ingot silver to match the truck. So just a little update. I painted all the pieces, and yeah. So I had to redo this one. So this one was in black, and the paint, for whatever reason, the black paint started bubbling up around the edges and around the F and the forward symbol. So I had to stop work and sand it down, and we're gonna have to hit it with primer and paint again. Now this part came out very nice. All right, we hit that in ingot silver. That's 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of base, the ingot silver. And we had to come back and hit this with a clear coat, a few coats of clear actually. And then we'll be putting it back together. All right, so we switched to Dupe Color. So we had to resand because there are a lot of bubbles around the edge in the last paint. I don't know if it was the paint or what it was. So anyway, we're gonna switch to this Dupe Color. Perfect match. Duplicates factory colors. The color on this says Universal Black. So hopefully this covers a little bit better. We'll see. All right, y'all, welcome back. Welcome back. It's the next day. Boy, where you been? So I did stay up last night, and I hit it with a clear coat and let it dry overnight. It looks good, y'all. Let me show you what it looks like. Yeah, I can actually see my reflection in the paint. That is crazy. You know what? Let me show you in the sunlight. Woo-hoo-hoo. This thing glistening. It is glistening. It's not candy, but now that was my fingerprints up there. Those smudges that you see at the top, those are all my fingerprints from me putting it back together. I think it looks good, and the paint match is impeccable. Like, shout out to Automotive Touch-Up. Paint is spot on, exactly, and got silver. Permatex black plastic welder. It says it sets in 5 minutes. Minimum cure time is 10 minutes. I noticed on the back, it actually says adhesive will fixture in 10 minutes and fully cure in 24 hours. So yeah, we're gonna glue this back together and let it sit for pretty much most of the day, and then we'll put it back on the truck. So. All right, so we got it glued, kind of glued back together. So quick tip, this stuff cures very fast. So literally like less than two minutes, it's like starting to cure. So like this is the piece like it's already one piece. So it's hard to, anyway, you have to do it very quickly. Once you stir it, go ahead and start to glue it almost immediately. Now I got it glued in. I'm now applying double-sided tape. I don't know if there was a point to add double-sided tape. This is the package that it came in. Ran into double-sided tape because that's how it came off with double-sided tape. I'll show you the back here. Now it had, there was double-sided tape that covered the entire portion of this hole. But as you see, I mean, there's surface space for double-sided tape. If you look on the actual emblem, I mean, it's not even really a point because these clips are actually what hold the emblem in, not necessarily the tape. But since it came off with double-sided tape, I'm gonna put some back on. So yeah, as you see the back, I mean, it's not really a flat surface here either to put tape, especially now that the glue's on here. But like I said, I'll just apply tape in between where I can get it and go from there. All right, y'all, so we got the double-sided tape on the back. Trying to be real careful with this, y'all. So put it back on. It's really just two. It has two guide pins here for these two guide pins on the side, and all these clips. You have this main clip that goes up here, and you literally just line it up, push it back on carefully. There you have it. Make sure it's all the way on. There you go. Hey, I pulled the truck up a little bit so we can get some sun on the emblem. Yeah, I think that looks way better. It fits the back of the truck much nicer. It's such a smooth transition to the emblem versus that blue that was on there. I mean, I like the blue. You know, it's Ford's thing, but you know, I like the silver. I like the paint match a lot better. Now, the only issue back here now, and I'm sure you're probably gonna point it out, is over here. This is chrome. This is paint matched. I don't know if we're gonna paint it or we're gonna take it off, but it's gonna stay on there for now. I think it might look good in black, actually, or paint match. I don't know, we'll see. So, what do you think? Yeah, I'm super excited at how it came out. I think it fits way better. Yeah, I think it did a good job. Now, I need to wash the back of my truck. It's dirty, I know, whatever. I haven't washed it in a while, but this is the cleanest thing on the truck right now. So, thanks for watching another video on me and car keys. Please subscribe. You know, for more videos like this, I got a lot more things planned for the truck build. So please subscribe. Hit the like button. You know, hit the notification bell. I've never said that on a video, but hit the notification bell. So until next time, thank you for watching.